There you go, Looney. What about that, eh? She said, oh. She said, this is exciting. She said, what am I happening to me? She said, I'm going to do the little growly thing. She said, oh, what's that? Oh, what's that?
No, get off.
Oh, good heavens. Said,
No, go on.
Oh God, they're both here. Oh, sorry, I meant... No. Oh dear.
Oh.
Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Let me see if I can get a shot of the little colour on her back. So, just hang on. Oh, there you go. Sorry. Get, whoops. Good heavens. They're more trouble than they're worth. Get. Gotcha, beauty. There we go. There you go. Good girl. Oh, she's so cute.
She's a precious girl.
She's a precious girl.
Especially the freckles on the nose. And the corresponding one on the lower lip.
Yeah. Well, she's getting her colour now, so she's getting her colour quite well. She's going to have good pigment. I love the fact that you can't see that she's got fabulous tight eyes.
Mm-hmm.
No nasty little white bits there. I really like that.
Gosh, she's pretty.
Isn't she pretty?
Yeah.
Look at the bone on her too.
Mwah.
Hi, Itchy. Yeah, honey. Yeah, good girl. You're a good girl, Itchy.
3 weeks?
3 weeks today.
You sure?
Positive. I lost count the other week. I thought she was older than she was. But she's not. She's 3 weeks today. Itch, for heaven's sake. Every time I move, Itch moves 2 more feet so that I will keep patting her.
Okay, let's go. Come in.
Okay, that's enough.